What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're doing the Automotion pregame. So the weekend before Automotion, we're doing that. They're doing a big meet there. We're gonna go check it out. Got a couple buddies going over there. So we'll start recording once we get over there and see how it goes. I'm not quite sure how it's gonna go yet, and we'll go from there. So see you guys at the meet.
Special car. Load of shit. Holy.
The data lag. Now the Rev-wars started.
Looking for one. Shane uses it as an actual truck.
Shane, is this your first time?
What, first time? Oh, it's something it's all. I fell out of a truck. I actually.
Why?
Are you gonna unblock me ever?
Maybe. Look at the tip on that thing. That thing is huge. Is that the truck you fell out of?
No, not that truck. Brennan's Duraman.
Oh.
Roast him! Roast him! You burn out. No.
Oh, I only got it.
Roast him!
What was it, Eco Diesel?
Is that a burnout? Roast him! You got it! You can do it! Rip it! Yes! Come on! Roast him! Roast him! Do another one! I got a four-way, one turn! Do a burnout! There's gonna be a Mustang driver real quick, or? Burnout! Light him up!
Oh, he's just rubbing. Hell yeah. Yeah, you might want to watch out.
Come on.
Hell yeah.
This thing's got some pretty sick
Can't see anything in here. Cop! Cop!
Cops! Get!
Give her! Fuck it! Yeah, no shit.
Come on, Ryan. I know you.
Ryan don't give a shit.
Ryan don't give a fuck.
Literally right over there on the road.
You're good.
Hell yeah.
God, I love the way that thing
Because this. Is he gonna do a burnout? Yeah. That guy right there is pissed. Yeah.
No, he's cool. He wanted us to do it. He was
Really?
over there talking to us.
Oh, really? No.
Hey, you gotta put it in first. They launch in second. You gotta
That was
put it all the way.
All right, so the next morning, got home super late, so we just went to bed. It was a pretty good night. I was surprised. There was a lot more people there than I expected to be, and a lot more trucks, actually. It was supposed to be more of a car meet, and it was a lot of trucks. I should say probably 75% trucks compared to cars. There was a couple of weird things there. I mean, there was one tractor, a lot of mopeds, a couple mini bikes, mini four-wheelers, and all kinds of shit there. It was actually a really good night. Started off with a lot of revving and kind of some Rev-wars. And a few burnouts here and there, and then the burnouts towards the end started. And that kind of shut the meet down after a while. The cops didn't really care that we did burnouts in the parking lot, but they were sitting around and they didn't really, I think they were just more kind of watching us more than really enforcing it. I know there was a few people that got pulled over. One chick I heard was pretty drunk. That's just what I heard. I don't know who it was or nothing. I just heard it through the grapevine. And then our one buddy got pulled over because he accidentally went the wrong way down the one way. But I didn't even know it was a one way, and a lot of us didn't. So he did that by accident. And the cop was really decent about it. It was right after he did a big burnout. So it was a pretty good night. Really excited for Automotion next weekend. We'll be leaving this coming Friday. And we'll be going down until Sunday. We'll be coming back on Sundays. We'll be down there for 3 days. So there should be multiple videos. So if you guys are excited to see that, like, comment, subscribe, and there'll be a lot more videos. There should be a lot more car shows this year. I'm going to try to go to a bunch of them, more meets, and get some good videos. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.